And it's number 6, number 7, and number 8. Let's see what we have here. 3 pairs of shoes. Let's open it. Alright guys, so I have 2 more boxes today from Up to Step, and this one, it only has like the item number on it, but I think I got this from It The Label, but I'm gonna be tagging everything regardless. All right, so I'm just gonna open these one by one. Little shoe care card. Oh my goodness. It's this really, oh my gosh, it's like soft leather. I'm guessing it's like a lamb or some sort of like a lighter calf leather. Like you can see how I can like really bend this as opposed to my Dune London boots. And they're in this off-white, creamy white color. Just wow. Valentine, do you like them? Okay, so that is the first pair. I really love a white boot, especially for the winter time, like a winter off-white, creamy white. I feel like I mostly wear white, grays, and stone colors and stuff like that anyway, so let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, guys. I think that this was the one I was honestly most excited about. Oh my goodness. Look at this shoe. This is beautiful. I wanted this in 2 colors. So you know that I got like the other 2 shoes I got from Up to Step. I got them in different colors, but they were the same shoe. The brown like slouchy boot and the blue one. So I wanted this in a chocolate brown color, but I was like, let me just get it in red first and see what it's like. But guys, I actually might even place my order today because I really need the other one. I already know that I need it. And like I noticed with the other boots, like these boots are never really labeled at the bottom. Let me see if there's a label or a tag inside. But again, they have that velvety, kind of like soft fur inside lining it, so it'll definitely keep me warm. But yeah, this is the boots. Up to Step. Okay, so I think I finally got all the boots. I ordered 4 pairs, and I ordered them on September 1st. It's currently to date October, I think is it 12th or 13th. So guys, listen, quality is all there, packaging is all there, shipping times, I don't know. You might have to order these a season ahead, because if you're thinking, let me just order this right quick because I have a trip coming up, that's exactly what I thought. I actually ordered these for my trip to Paris on September 9th for my birthday, but obviously they did not come in anywhere near the allotted or expected time. So just know I'm gonna have fun wearing these.
Je vous parle d'un temps que les moins de 20 ans ne peuvent pas connaître. On marque en ces temps-là, accroché ses lilas jusque sous nos fenêtres. Si l'humble garni qui nous servait de nid ne payait pas de mine, c'est là qu'on s'est connus, moi qui criais famine et toi qui posais nu. La bohème, ça voulait dire on est heureux. La bohème, nous ne mangions qu'un jour sur 2.
And probably definitely next year as well. So hey, I guess it's an international brand. I think that it said it was from China in the DHL box, but Let's see what's in here. So this one's the third package. I think this that came in today. It came in like this kind of raggedy box, honestly, but hey, they all came in like the DHL like wrappers or whatever. But I think this is the pair, yep, that I got from It the Label. I actually just have one more pair I'm expecting. Interesting. Okay. Wow. Look at this. So I have actually one more. It's a red patent boot that I have coming in, but this is the shoe. Honestly, I like it a lot, but I'm gonna say just from the get, I love the design, I love the quality, but it's the color. So you guys are seeing this correctly. Like, it's almost looking like a soft, like, it almost looks teal, but it's not. It's like this, like, I guess this interesting like green shade, like muted green. But on the actual page, and I'll put it here, this looked like a Kelly green. It looks like the green of my Dune London boots, and it's just not giving that green right now. And so I'll say like this one, the shade online is just very off. It's definitely off. It's off. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not the same color, and it has nothing to do with lighting. It's just like the shade is different. I'm sure that I'll still love it and wear it, but I do think these were closer to the ones from It the Label were like $200. So, or actually it might have been more. It might have been $250, either $199 or like $250. So I don't know. I'll style them and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this makes 6, 7, 8 boxes out of the 12 shoes I got, fall boots that I got for my birthday. So I'll just keep unboxing for you guys. Stay tuned. Also guys, something I noticed, I do want to note, so the inside of most of the other pairs from Up to Step are fur. This one, the inside seems to be like, I guess some sort of like basically inner leather lining. So yup, just a little difference between the two brands that I'm noticing. And this one's also like a very like floppy, soft leather material. Alright guys, well that's today's unboxing. I hope you guys found some of the shoes super cute. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Let me know which pair was your favorite down below in the comments. Comment green, white, or red. Let me know. Look at that. We are getting somewhere in life.